So there have been some very, very exciting things going on for Floki, and it's all kind of coming together at the right time. This build in momentum, these great, events taking place. It really looks like it's setting up Floki right now to set a new all-time high. So first and foremost, when we look at the Floki charts, we have been on this climbing trend basically since mid-April, since we dealt with the stuff going on overseas. The market's been cleaning up a little bit. We've had some nice momentum from BTC. We just had the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs, setting a surge for ERC20s. And now you guys can see that Floki is in fact emerging from its trend here, this ascending channel that we've been in. It is just broken through over this last 24 hours. So this is very exciting. Now, there have been a few things that have helped Floki along the way. About a week and a half ago, there was a proposal to actually burn 15.25 billion Floki, and this was in fact approved. So we now have a large portion of the supply that once again has been incinerated and will never come back. But really the big catalyst that has sent us surging over this last 24 hours is the approval of Coinbase futures. Now, Floki does not have a listing on Coinbase. We haven't seen that benefit yet, and this still isn't technically a Coinbase listing, right? This just allows people to essentially bet on Floki futures. Now, the interesting thing about this is this can in fact lead to a Coinbase listing. If there is enough popularity, it would not surprise me if a Coinbase listing does in fact follow very closely after this. Now, for those who haven't been through a Coinbase listing before, it's a big deal. You can see significant surges. All right. For example, I was through the ACH Coinbase listing back in 2021, and it did over a 10x. It did over a 10x just from getting listed on Coinbase. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, guys, but just know that is a significant amount of trading, a significant amount of excitement, and a significant amount of liquidity that can hit Floki. Users that don't have access currently, getting in a big way on one of the largest exchanges in the world is a very big deal. So don't be surprised if that does in fact happen. A nice little movement with that. Now, what I will say is that there are some articles talking about how Floki may in fact struggle to reach these new all-time highs, even though we're only about 11% away right now. What it's suggesting is that the MVRV ratio is high, so there's a very high amount of people in profit. It said the Floki corrections usually occur within this 12% to 54% MVRV range. You guys can see that on the blue line right here. We're approaching that 54% level. What this also suggests from the RSI is that we are in fact overbought, but you can't sleep on a lot of this stuff. These are factors that basically take place outside the charts, right? You can't sleep on additional demand from exchange listings. You can't sleep on supply being removed. I mean, all these things create that much more demand, right? Hopefully that makes sense. There's a lot more demand that's hitting Floki that wasn't there before. Not to mention the fact that we're really, it looks like on the verge of entering alt season here, and that means significant inflows in a big way. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. Oh, and by the way, Floki has in fact been climbing. We flipped bonk in terms of market cap now the fifth largest meme coin in all of crypto. So big things happening, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Want to hear if you think we are in fact going to break a new all-time or set a new all-time high this week. But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.